In 1992, the Barcelona Olympic Games led spectators from all over the world to look towards Barcelona, an event that would transform Barcelona and its citizens' relationship with the sea. A new area of the city was created when the old port was dedicated to public uses and opened up to the city by moving commercial activities southwards. Now, 30 years later, the port is completing the integration of the old port and the city by reorganizing passenger activities and opening new areas to the public. In 2018, the Port Authority, the City Council and other public and private entities reached a unique agreement to develop a complex project that will improve the quality of life of the local community and enhance their connectivity with the port and within it. 3 cruise terminals moving 700,000 passengers annually and a ferry terminal moving 180,000 passengers and 58,000 vehicles a year, all located at the old port, will be closed by 2026. A multi-purpose terminal handling 700,000 tons and 90,000 TEUs per year will also be relocated by 2023 inside the commercial area of the port to make room for the new passenger terminals. The wharf, exclusively dedicated to passengers, is being enlarged to accommodate a new ferry terminal and 2 new cruise terminals by 2025, reducing its carbon footprint and facilitating the growth of maritime links, boosting the city's connectivity. This, in turn, will allow the deployment of an onshore power supply system to connect ships to the electricity grid using 100% renewable clean energy, thus eliminating 66,000 tons of carbon dioxide and 1,234 tons of nitrogen oxides from port operations. Current mobility passenger services will be substantially improved on the Adossat wharf for visitors and citizens alike. In addition, Barcelona's first autonomous shuttle bus connecting the old port with the Adossat wharf will be operational, and a nautical shuttle service will be launched to connect different areas of the old port, which will significantly improve travel within the port and commuting between the port and the city. The areas freed up by this move will be renovated to improve city-port connectivity and integration, transforming this part of the port into an innovation hub for the blue economy, public leisure installations, and training institution facilities. More than 150 million euros has been committed in public and private investment to this complex project, which has already started and will be completed in the coming years in a unique example of collaboration between public and private passenger traffic stakeholders. The local community will enjoy new quality spaces, including green and walking areas. Connectivity of citizens and visitors will be improved. Your port opens up again.